What is CNC Machining Center? A CNC machining center is a computer-controlled machine that automatically performs a variety of precision machining tasks on a workpiece in one setup, operating with a vertical spindle and an XY work table. A CNC vertical machining center executes G-code instructions to perform precise milling, drilling, and tapping, offering stable and powerful machining capabilities. Problems may occur with CNC equipment, and these problems may include faulty workpiece gripping causes chatter, vibration. Using the wrong tools or settings risks damaging both equipment and products. For example, an excessively low feed rate can cause burning or surface marks by prolonging tool contact. CNC systems, controlled by programmed code, are susceptible to errors and accidents. Understanding the GA-M codes and diagnosing their origin is key to troubleshooting. The CNC equipment needs to be operated by trained professionals. CNC machining centers, key issues and solutions. 1. Spindle bearings are worn or damaged. 2. Spindle dynamic balance failure. 3. The loose or worn belts in belt-driven spindles. 4. Inadequate lubrication. 1. Inspect and replace spindle bearings. 2. Re-clamp tools and verify dynamic balance. 3. Adjust or replace belts. 4. Check spindle lubrication for proper flow and volume. Finally, the CNC Machining Center also has more techniques for stability and testing practices. For example, run calibration cycles at the start of shifts. Verify spindle run out and alignment. Check backlash and feed accuracy monthly. These tests help validate that the machine's foundational data matches the expected machining outcomes.